I went back to learning Affinity in a year, day 35. Let me show you the insert options. We create a rectangle. It's blue. And I'm gonna create a circle. Let me make that maybe red. And you can see if we just left click drag, it's gonna be on top of the rectangle. That is the default case. Let me delete them, but you can also set it right here. The middle option is for insert at the top of the selection, but to the left, we can actually insert it behind it. So default is always the center position for top. Behind is the option on the left. There's a third option for insert media inside the selection. Let me show you this. When you have it active, you can drag a circle or any shape outside of the one that's already there, but it will only show inside of it. So once more, the option in center is active by default, but you can also use behind and inside. And in general, these options will only show when you are in vector mode. So if you can't see it, go to the top left and there activate the vector mode, and you should see these options on the top right. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.